Just cooked up a Bologna Chub on the big green egg. All right, so we just got a log of Bar S bologna. Got this for only $8.94 at Winco. We got a 5-pound. And let me just go ahead and get this out of here. Just a little bit of a slice down there. And then we'll remove this. And there we go. What I'm going to do, we're going to season this up a little bit. I'm going to start out with just a little bit of olive oil on here. Just kind of rub that around. Get that on there nicely. And we're going to add some jalapeno, garlic, jalapeno Grand Oaks barbecue seasoning all on it. And we're also going to go ahead and take this and just kind of go down. And we'll even go around. Get that in there fairly deep. Just score it up a little bit. Do about 3. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a cross on the ends as well. Hit it just a little more with some seasoning. Good, right like that. We'll let that set up while we go get the big green egg ready. In our lump charcoal, we're going to throw some cherry wood from Tennessee Cooking Wood. We're going to add a tumbleweed right there. And then we're going to light this and get the fire prepared for this chub of bologna. So we're just going to let this get heated up, and then we'll put the diverter on here in a little bit and the grate, and then we'll just go ahead and get that chub on. Got the smoke coming up there and heating up for a bit. We're at 262 degrees right now on the big green egg, and we're going to go ahead and put this chub right on the grate here. We've put the egg verter underneath it there to divert the heat so that we got indirect heat. Low, nice sizzle. And we're going to go ahead and close this thing up, let it cook a while, 2-3 hours or so. I don't know how long. And we'll check it out in a little bit. What do you think of that? Crisp, cooked. Look at that right there. That is going to make one a heck of a sandwich. Or just eat it like this. Got that Tennessee Cooking Wood. I can taste that cherry in there. Good stuff right there, let me tell you. Look at this. Wow.